we need it, we want it. Vacation, we own it. Surf, beach, palm tree, got no worries.
Well, training, we checked out. We are headed back towards the cities. We were hoping that the rain isn't the whole way and raining when we get there. It's not going to dampen our parade.
It's raining on it,
But it's raining, but it's not going to dampen it. We're not going to allow us to feel moist. I used that word!
3 hours later.
We are at Minihaha Falls. They're having a picnic down there. Look at this. I wonder if people can jump off. I mean, safely. Probably not. But is it always this low?
Nope.
Nope, this is low. Ooh, look at that.
This is really low.
It's big falls.
Yeah, when people walk down there in the wintertime,
Yeah.
it's all frozen. Try a
But
slow-mo pick.
Oh yeah, I would do that. I can do that.
A few moments later.
We're on this pavilion, right? Yeah.
Sea salt.
Sea Salt Pavilion, which
The restaurant Sea Salt, I should say. The restaurant name is called Sea Salt.
the restaurant name is Sea Salt, which doesn't make sense because we're nowhere near a sea. But it is what it is, I guess. And here's my number, the table number, lucky 13 is my lucky number, and today's the 13th day of vacation too, so you got that going for ya. Joe now got some fish taco. It looks really good. Yum. I got catfish. I'm waiting for it. It said get it grilled. I think I got it grilled. Well, they said grilled or some other. They didn't say fried. They said some and grilled. Maybe they did. Whatever. I got it grilled. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Later.
It is August 12th, 2022, and Auntie Jenny, and nephew Bryson will do the challenge. Mark, get set, go. Lay down, dog. Sit down. Ooh, girl, you better. Oh, wow. Sit down. And Bryson. 3, 2, 1, go. Mom against son. Bryson's pulling ahead. Come on. Oh, there goes Mom. Mom's pulling ahead. Come on, you gotta keep going. Don't laugh. Oh, Mom's gonna get it. Mom's gonna get it. Mom won. Mom won. That doesn't matter. You were laughing during mine. Would like to see you. Clips? Are you good? Which is great. That guys, this guy here knows about the cars. He's fixing this wheel, putting this wheel well cover in finally. I'm loving it. What? I feel like he's done
one of the Jeeps.
One of the Jeeps. It wasn't a wheel well. See how like the bottom of the black Jeep.
I'll tell you something. So, I did cut off some of it is just cut off. It's not all the way off. So you might, I don't know. I didn't have all the proper tools. So you'll figure it out. He's to figure it out himself. I said, it's got to go under this thing. And he's like, I know. I know. He's just doing it. He's just like, here. Goes right here. Did you used to work for an automobile thing?
No.
You said he did a lot of
I grew
work.
up with a lot of white guys. That's what he said. He grew up in St. Joe, Minnesota. Remember?
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. He grew up with a lot of white guys. White guys just do cars, I guess.
all
So
they do.
that's what it is.
Oh, you got a thing broken. Let's take it apart and see how we can
Yeah. I'm like, oh, we put it over here and
We
what?
can fix this.
We can't get it? Duct tape.
Yep. Yeah.
That's what it is.
Super glue.
Right. Good evening. It's time to sign off. It's only like 8 something probably. We had some bomb ass authentic Mexican just now, and I am full. Food coma probably. And that's it. We're gonna watch Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I don't know what else. It doesn't matter. Tomorrow is Saturday, so we'll see you tomorrow. Toodles.